Welcome back to Visibility Hacking Radio.
Oh, hey there. It's another episode of Visibility Hacker Radio, where we're exploring the latest strategies to help you grow your business. In today's episode, we're going to dive deep into using content to pre-qualify potential customers. We'll be answering audience questions and sharing some helpful resources. Oh yes, and of course, providing actionable tips for you to implement. So buckle up and let's get started.
Welcome to Visibility Hacking Radio, where we empower visionary leaders to amplify their message, ignite their mission, and unleash their movement. Are you ready to create a lasting impact and reach new heights? Let's dive in. Hosted by Toronto's own Molle, a seasoned expert in out-of-the-box branding for visionary leaders, Visibility Hacking Radio brings you valuable insights, powerful strategies, and actionable tips from leading experts and entrepreneurs. Get ready to be inspired, informed, and transformed as we dive into today's episode of Visibility Hacking Radio. Amplify your message, ignite your mission, and unleash your movement.
All right, let's kick things off with our first audience question. Samantha asks, what types of content work best for pre-qualifying potential customers? Well, great question, Samantha. Generally, the most effective types of content for pre-qualification are informative and educational pieces that address your target audience's pain points and their challenges. This can include blog posts, ebooks, webinars, and even podcasts. By creating content that helps your audience understand the value of your product or service, you'll be more likely to attract leads who are a good fit for what you're offering. Now, let's move on to our second question. Carlos writes back and wants to know, how can I incorporate pre-qualification questions into my content? One effective way to do this is by embedding pre-qualification questions or assessments within your content. So for example, you could create a quiz or a survey or an interactive assessment that helps your audience determine if your product or service is the right fit for them. By integrating these tools into your content, you'll not only engage your audience, but you'll also gather valuable insights into their needs and their challenges. Our third audience question comes from Michelle, who asks, are there any tools or resources that you recommend for creating content that pre-qualifies leads? Well, absolutely, Michelle. Some excellent tools for creating and managing pre-qualifying content can include things like Google Forms or SurveyMonkey. These help you create custom surveys or questionnaires that can gather insights from your audience. You can also try a tool called Typeform or Interact. These design interactive quizzes or assessments that can be easily embedded into your content. It's both interactive and it's also an assessment tool. Utilize marketing automation platforms to deliver targeted content and pre-qualify those leads with things like email campaigns. So now let's discuss some helpful tips for using content to pre-qualify your potential customers. First, focus on addressing your target audience's pain points and challenges in your content. This will not only attract the right customers, but will also help them self-assess whether your product or service is right for them. Then you're going to offer content upgrades. These are checklists, worksheets, or templates in exchange for contact information. This allows you to collect leads and engage them throughout using email marketing. Encourage user-generated content, such as reviews and testimonials, or even their own spin on your content. This adds authenticity and credibility to your brand while helping build a sense of community around your content as well. And we've talked about that in previous episodes, so make sure you subscribe to Visibility Hacker Radio and you can download all of those previous episodes and more.
Don't forget to subscribe to the Visibility Hacker YouTube channel.
But that's a wrap for today's episode about using content to pre-qualify potential customers. Remember, by creating valuable content that addresses your target audience's needs and challenges, you can attract the right customers, you can pre-qualify them and ultimately improve your sales process. Now, don't forget to subscribe to our podcast for more valuable tips and strategies. Until next time, my friends, remember I love you and be excellent to each other.
Another fantastic episode of Visibility Hacking Radio comes to a close. We hope you've gained valuable insights and tools to help you on your journey to greater success. Stay informed and ahead of the curve by subscribing to our newsletter at visibilityhacking.com/newsletter. You'll receive the latest news, updates, and exclusive content to support your message, mission, and movement. And remember to subscribe, rate, and review the podcast. Until next time, be excellent to each other.